Hey, hello, what's up everyone? In this video, I'm going to teach you about what happens when different planets gets combusted by planet Sun. So before beginning, if you guys not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon and click the like button. And if you guys have any doubt after watching this video, please do mention it in my below comment section, okay? And yes, please like and follow my Facebook community page, Parikshit Astrology, where you can also post some astrological stuff and gain knowledge. So let's begin. So mainly what is combustion? Combustion normally means burning. Combustion in Vedic astrology means when a planet Sun burns another planet where the planets are within the particular degree of the planet Sun. Suppose if Sun is at 20 degrees in Leo with Mercury, where Mercury is in 10 degrees, then planet Mercury gets combusted because Mercury gets combusted within its 14 degrees with the planet Sun. Now, what do you mean by combustion? See, combustion normally means weak. So when any planets in your birth chart other than Rahu, Ketu and Sun are combusted, then that planet is said to be weak and loses its power. Now, degrees of planets at which they get combusted by planet Sun. So Moon gets combusted by planet Sun at 12 degrees or within the 12 degrees of the Sun. Mars 70 degrees or within the 70 degrees of the Sun. Mercury gets combusted within the 14 degrees of the planet Sun, or 12 degrees when it's retrograded, or within the 12 degrees. Now Jupiter gets combusted at 11 degrees or within the 11 degrees. Now Venus will be combusted at 10 degrees and 8 degrees when it gets retro or within 8 degrees. Now Saturn gets combusted at 15 degrees or within 15 degrees of the planet Sun. Now what happens when different planets are combusted? Now coming to planet Venus, their self-ego wants to be entertained. They love movie theater, games, etc. and make profit from them. They will be having a lot of failures in the personal relationship as both partners become more selfish. Legal issues crop up because business partners do not want to share profits equitably. Spiritual progress will be slow as individual ego pops up as you sit for dhyan. Everyone wants to relate to his or her own person and do what makes him happy. Now, what happens when Mercury gets combusted? That shows that there will be loss of cooperation, failure of teamwork, self-egoing, logical plans, faulty conclusions from database of misplaced confidence, finance markets going down because of overinflated data. Everyone thinks for him alone. Now, what happens when Mars gets combusted? That shows that the personal vitality comes in focus, physical aggression will be there, competitions will be more, rash driving will be there, exaggerated overconfidence, strong belief in one's own competitive abilities. Everyone will fight for what he wants. However, as Mars and Sun are buddies, that is friends, you can make good use of this time to aggressively and competitively progress in some way or the other. However, remember that aggression should be directed away from the family or husband or wife or children. Now, what happens when Jupiter gets combusted? There is a crisis of belief. The self-ego dominates the philosophy. He or she can be an atheist, doesn't believe in a higher self, fails to perform the necessary rituals and things connected to eternal religion or self. These people are self-guided. They think that they do not need the guidance from their peers or teachers. Everyone will follow his or her own personal belief. Now, if Saturn is combusted, this is potentially high problematic placement because see, Sun is the father of Saturn, right? And they do not get along at all. Laziness will be there. There will be procrastination, misplaced belief in one's own abilities, irregular working style, luck, money, and social reputation are affected adversely. Everyone will think that their work alone is perfect. Now, what happens when Moon gets combusted? That shows that they will be having weak mind, psychological issue, lazy, unable to control his or her mind. So, yep, this is it for today, guys. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe below, or else I will see in the next video. So, if you want any consultancy, please to contact my given below WhatsApp number, or else you can even mail me also. So, until and unless, thank you, bye bye, love you, take care.